It's a 2018 Lexus IS. The bold and aggressive styling and the attention to detail in the refined cabin ensures a driving experience that will excite your senses. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Scout GPS Link smart device navigation, front heated bucket seats, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds it strikes a nice balance between comfort and performance that should appeal to many shoppers. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.